Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how you can change or replace a debit card or credit card on Cash App. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So then let's get started. Now first thing, you need to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account you need to tap on the icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. And as you tap on the icon, you'll be directed to My Cash, and on this page you'll be able to see a list of bank account or debit card that is linked to your Cash App account. So from this page you need to select the debit card that you want to replace or that you want to change, and as you select the card, next interface you'll be able to see a three-dot icon located just next to the name of the bank. You need to click on it. So as soon as you click on the three-dot icon, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll be able to see a two different options card, that is remove or replace. In case if you want to remove your debit card, then simply click on remove, and if you want to replace it, then tap on replace debit card. In case if you are replacing the debit card, then you'll have an alternative to add a new one, and after that you need to enter the new debit card information that you want to add it to your Cash App, and after that you need to tap on add, and then you'll be notified that you've replaced the debit card and added a new one. So that is how you can remove or replace your debit card on Cash App. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.